everybody, we're back on the river again. We found this other amazing spot on another river. This is so cool here. It's a small river, and we're gonna try some fishing in it. It's pretty high. We got a lot of rain. We had a lot of snow melt, so fishing conditions aren't that good. But man, this spot is awesome. Check out where my Jeep is. There's my Jeep. And here's our river. Yeah, so we came to this spot here, which is pretty awesome, because we're heading into Missoula. We developed a really bad engine knock. That started a couple weeks ago, and it's getting worse. It's not good. It's pretty loud and it's nasty. So we drove in towards Missoula. We found this spot here. I got an appointment tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning to get it checked out, but I know I'm probably gonna need a new head. I got a feeling it's cracked, new lifters, some major work on it, so it's gonna cost me, but it's my house and it'll get us going. So we're gonna explore around this area. Let's take a walk. We got bull trout, we got cutthroat, we got brown trout, we got brook trout and rainbow trout. A lot of fish in here. Just talk about the Ponderosa Pines. Check this out. Look at that. So that thing is 6 feet in diameter to the bottom and about 200 feet tall. That's a big tree. And we got an outhouse. Bear containers. So there's a lot of bears around here. So they got containers set up to put your food in. This place is full of free camping. Like right here. It's all free. I think it's 7 days in this spot. And another spot. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. All right. Gonna have some dinner. I'm hungry. I got my beer. And we got some steak. We got some sirloin tips, boiling up some pasta. So I'm going to do kind of a half-assed stir fry with no vegetables, because I'm just doing something quick because I'm hungry and it tastes good. We throw some of that beer in there and then we let it cook down. Now this gives us a nice sauce. Now we just add the pasta. Oh yeah, this is good comfort food. just being up here in Montana. It's a chilly, rainy day on the river. Good comfort food and a beer. Doesn't get any better than this. Wow, the sun came out. Way cool. It's beautiful out here. I still got a little drizzle though. We got to try a little fishing while the sun's out. See what happens. How pretty is that? Sun's going down. It's beautiful. Here up in Montana. So you know you're up north. It is 9:30 at night and I still got daylight. Very cool. Hey everybody. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we gotta go. Kinda sucks. It is beautiful here. But I gotta get into town, get my Jeep looked at. My poor Jeep there. See what happens, and I think maybe we'll come back here, but later on we'll come back a little later. The river's kind of starting to come down. Probably went down a foot already, so if it stays like this, could have some good fishing in a couple days. So I stopped here to do some laundry, and sure enough, I got a fly tying shop right next to me. Right here. So we got to the mechanic this morning and he just checked out the noise. Thinks it could be a possible piston slap, so I could have piston problems. I'm not sure, so he didn't have time to really look at it, so I got to go back later in the day. He's going to pull the valve cover off and give it a go. Good checking over, so we're just wasting time doing laundry, going to the fly shop, do some shopping, and we'll head back there. Hey everybody, we're back at a different campsite. So we went to the mechanic, wasn't good. There's some issues, but we found this campsite here, which I've been here before. It's on top of a mountain, which is cold, and I know I got a good cell phone signal, so I can do some research about my Jeep and probably upload this video. But let me show you the spot. There's our Jeep. We got our solar panels out. And then we got this beautiful view. Check it out. View is awesome here. It is pretty. You got snow and the mountains way back in the distance. Doesn't get any better than this. So it's looking like our motor is shot. Not sounding good. So what it seems to be is piston slap, so it looks like my pistons are shot. Probably needs a whole rebuild, which is hard to do. So I got an appointment tomorrow, have somebody else look at it. Been on the phone with him and kind of at a budget, try to find maybe a rebuilt motor to put in there. I really don't have that much money to really put into this thing, but going to see if we come up with something. I got a feeling I'm going to be into about $4,000 or $5,000 to get this thing on the road again. So I think that's it for today. That's our dramatic trauma here we got today. All the things that happen on the road, nothing you can do about it. Stuff happens. So I'm John, I'm 65, I'm over the hill, and that's it for today. I'm gonna probably do some work on this video now, and We'll catch you guys later, and don't forget, never stop walking and never stop listening to rock and roll. We'll catch you guys later.